Today I'm going to show you how to build Lego Luigi. These are legs. Now attach his body to his shoulder. Add the arm. Yeah. And then yep, the two arms are attached. Now let's add the buttons to it. It's Luigi's buttons and the ears. The other ear and the hat. There's the power button. Now let's turn it on and see what he got. Wow, that is so cool.